From the makers of Cold Water Omo,
Springbok Radio invites you to relax and enjoy the Pip Friedman Show. And here he is, Pip Friedman.
Good day, listeners. This is Radio Darkest Africa, your favorite station where every train of thought comes in right on time. Unless we have a technical itch, and as we have no technical itch this morning, why not settle back and scratch something else as you listen to this bit of interesting information?
Hier is die stasie vir jou gesin, die een wat luister vreugde bring. Luister en lag,
geniet jou dag met Springbok Radio.
Springbok Radio bied aan. As die hadida oor 'n huis vlieg en sy angs roep oor die vallei skeur, sê hulle dat iemand gaan sterf. Dit is dan wanneer die wolf uit sy skuilplek kruip, as antwoord op die roep. Ons bied u 'n vervolg op Leon van Heerop se verhaal oor Hotel Nyala in die Hazyview Vallei. Wolwe dans in die skemer.
when your world's in trouble and you need a fighting friend who will come on the double and keep fighting to the end. Get Jet Jungle is the man to get. Jet Jungle, Jet Jungle, Jet Jungle is the man to get.
The going is cola, America's royal crown. You love that it's really swinging, you'll be singing real cool cola, royal crown.
What I want to say about yesterday is I saw you oh so near. Yes, I know you turned right by my side to draw my attention near.
I'll take a walk in the park. Hey, 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 it's a beautiful day. I've got someone waiting for me, and when I see her, know that you say, hey, 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 it's a beautiful day. Hi, 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 beautiful Sunday. This is my beautiful day. When you say that you love me. Oh, my, it's a beautiful day. Birds are singing, you're by my side. Let's take our car and go for a ride. Hey, 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 it's a beautiful day. We'll drive on and follow the sun, making Sunday go on and on. Hey, 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 it's a beautiful day. Hi, 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 beautiful Sunday. This is my beautiful day. When you say that you love me. Oh, my, it's a beautiful day. Hi, 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 beautiful Sunday. This is my beautiful day. When you say that you love me. Oh, my, it's a beautiful day. Hi, 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 beautiful Sunday. This is my
Take a holiday in your Chevrolet. South Africa is asking you to call. Drive a Chevrolet, the car that stops today. Through the land we love, by far the best of all. On the open road or where the traffic's heavy, performance is sweeter, nothing can beat her. Life is completer in a Chevy. So why not take a ride? See the countryside, see it in your Chevrolet.
1970 Chevrolet. It's your most powerful reason for going automatic. Bigger big sixes, vivid new V8 power. Consider yourself spoiled by new power on the grand scale. Consider yourself promoted to executive suite luxury. Chevrolet Constantia and Commando for 1970. Consider yourself. Chevrolet does.
So why not take a ride? See the countryside, see it in your Chevrolet.
Het is je vriendelijke radio, Springbok Radio.
Hoor die tantes van Nantes en al wat klantes beklee om besit van die plaas. Maar die tantes van Nantes besef nou Armantes die plaas is die enigste baas. Pierre van tant Julia kry seer, want tant Julia probeer om vir Armand te dwarsboom, maar sy moet nog leer dat ook hippie sal keer, dat hippie Fernandes in die hande sal kry. Oh, voor die tantes van Nantes en al wat galant is beklee om besit van die plaas. Maar die tantes van Nantes besef nou Armantes die plaasie, sy enigste baas. Sonje sy jakkie, hy dans sakkie sakkie en staan glad geen twak van 'n lang haar gitaar naar sit